In the previous lecture, we have seen the addition, subtraction, multiplication. Okay. Now, sign arithmetic also we have seen in the previous lecture. Sign arithmetic means what? Sign number means what? Yes, can you tell me? Yes. How to show negative number? Suppose 8-bit number is
Using
there. Yes, yes, yes. Suppose 8-bit number is there, then first or the MSB bit is reserved for sign and the remaining 7 bits are used for the magnitude purpose only. Okay, means magnitude can be shown by only 7 bits and first MSB bit is reserved for sign. If the MSB bit is 0, then number is positive or negative? Yes? Okay. Yes, Srishti is right. Plus. And if sign bit is 1, then number is negative. Okay. Then the sign arithmetic operations we will see here. MSB bit is reserved. That one is already covered in the previous lecture. We will directly see how the addition is done in the magnitude, sign magnitude numbers. Okay. Here first step is follow the binary arithmetic rule. Binary arithmetic rule for the addition means you have to use the rules for the binary arithmetic for this. And then second one step is if carry 1 is generated, then discard the carry. You have to discard that carry. Okay. And MSB bit shows the sign of your answer. What answer you are getting in the second one step. Then the sign bit MSB bit shows the sign of your answer. Okay. Similarly, we can see one example here. Suppose 8-bit representation I have used here. Okay. 8-bit representation for 5 and for 4. Okay. You have to perform addition for +5 and +4 decimal numbers. Just represent that in the form of sign magnitude. Okay. Here MSB bit shows 0 means that numbers are positive. Okay. And magnitude is that remaining 7 bits are used for the magnitude. Only 4 bits are required for 5 and 4. That's why I have written here remaining 3, 0, 0, 0 and 0, 1, 0, 1 is the magnitude of 5 and 0, 1, 0, 0 is the magnitude of 4. Okay. And then addition. You have to perform addition and follow the addition rules for this. 1 plus 0, 1, 0 plus 0, 0, 1 plus 1, 0, carry 1 and then 1 plus 0 plus 1, 1 and remaining are 1, 1. Okay. This is your second step. In that second step, you are getting sign bit 0. That's why your result is also the positive number. And what you are getting magnitude, this is 1001, which shows the decimal number 9. That's why your result is +9. Similarly, suppose you want to add one positive number and one negative number. Okay. Then first of all, we have to perform for +5 and -2. Then just represent +5 in the sign magnitude form. Here MSB bit is 0. That's why your 5 is plus. Okay, it shows 5 plus and 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. Sorry. This is the magnitude of 5. Okay, and then -2 decimal number. How can you represent -2 decimal number? Just by using MSB bit 1. Okay, but for the addition purpose, you have to just find out 2's complement of 2 first and then add the 2's complement of 2 with 5. Okay. Here, first of all, I have to first find out 1's complement of 2 and then 2's complement of 2. Here, I'm not altering MSB bit because it is same as it is. Okay. For 1's complement and for 2's complement also. One cannot be altered. Only alter the remaining magnitude bits. Here for 1's complement, alter all 0s to 1, 1 to 0. And then next one for this, for 2's complement, just add 1 into 1's complement. Otherwise, I have explained the direct method to find 2's complement. What is the direct method? Just start with LSB bit and write down all the bits as it is till you get first one. Here 0 I get, write down as it is 0, then 1, that one is the first one. That's why I should write it as it is. And the remaining bits I have to alter. If 0 is there, then write down 1. Okay. That's why this is the direct method to find 2's complement of a given number. And after that, you have to add here 5 plus 5 and this minus 2. Okay, you'll get answer 1 plus 0, 1, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 0, 0 carry 1, 1 plus 1, 0 carry 1, 1 plus 1, 0 carry 1. Again 0 carry 1, 0 carry 1, 0 carry 1. Here at the last end, carry 1 is generated. Okay, that's why I have to just ignore that carry. That is your third step. Okay, just ignore that carry. This is your result and the result shows MSB bit 0. That's why your result is also positive number and the magnitude shows 0011, that is equal to 3. If you perform 5 minus 2, it is equal to 3, which gives your final answer. All of you getting it? Yes? Any problem? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now just perform these operations and tell me the answer. Right now, perform addition of the following sign numbers. Your first number is plus 7 and second number is minus 12. Start it. I will give 2 minutes. Again, use 8-bit number for the representation of 7 and 12. Okay. And MSB bit shows your sign. Here, 7 means MSB bit will be 0. And for 12, MSB bit will be 1. And how to represent 7? 7 can be represented by 0, 111. And 12 can be represented by 8 plus 4. That is equal to 12. Nah? That's why 1100 is the representation, binary representation of 12. Okay. And remaining examples you can consider as homework. Just complete the first example. All of you should solve this example. I can ask to anyone. Are you getting problem to solve this example? Should I explain? Payal is saying explain one more time. What about remaining one? Yes. Can you see my screen? You have to perform for, what is your question? Your question is plus 7 minus 12, na? Plus 7. How to represent plus 7? Plus 7 is equal to, for 8-bit numbers, first 4, 0, okay, and next one is 0, 111. This is the magnitude of 7. Then plus minus 12. Minus 12 is there. How to represent 12 first? MSB bit shows minus negative number, then remaining 3 as it is, and then 1, 1. 8 plus 4 is equal to 12, and remaining 2 bits are 0. This is the magnitude of 12. Okay. First of all, you have to find out 2's complement of the given number. Then how to find 2's complement here? Just by starting with LSB bit, write down all zeros as it is till you get first one. Okay, this is my first one. Then alter all bits. Here 1 makes 0 and 0 becomes 1, and sign bit should be as it is. This is the magnitude of minus 12. Okay, then add this into the plus 7. Here 1, 1, 1, 1, and then 0, 1, 0, 0. Your answer will be 1 plus 1, sorry, 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 1, 0, carry 1. 1 plus 1, 0 plus 1, 1. Then again here, 1, 1, 1, 1. Carry is not generated. Okay? Yes? All of you getting it? Hello? How can you represent here 12? 12 can be represented by 8 plus 1 is the negative number, and the remaining should be 0, and 8th bit 8 plus 4, 12, and remaining bits are 0. Then for 2's complement 0, 0, then 1 as it is, and then 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. And after that 7 can be represented by 0, 0, 0, 0, and then 0, 1, 1, 1. Okay, this is your minus 12 and plus 7. Addition 1, then 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 1, 0, carry 1. Here 1 as it is, then 1, 1, 1, and 1. Okay, then your result is negative. Okay, your result is negative means it is in a 2's complement form. You have to convert it into 1's complement form. Okay, or in the true form. Ma'am, then take 2's complement if carry is not generated. Yes, if carry is not generated, then take a 2's complement. Then start with LSB bit here. 1 should be as it is and alter remaining all bits. That is 0, 1, and remaining all 0, 0, 0, 0. Only don't change the magnitude. Sorry, sign bit only. Okay, sign bit shows your result of sign of your result, which is minus, and magnitude is the 0, 1, 0, 1, that is 5. Getting it? Okay. Are you able to see my screen? Now, next concept is binary subtraction using 2's complement method. In the previous syllabus, there was binary subtraction using 1's complement also and the 2's complement also. But in the new syllabus, 1's complement is not there, only 2's complement method is there. We will see first step which are the steps we should follow to solve this example. First, suppose A2 minus B2, binary numbers are there, A and B. Add A2 to 2's complement of B2, and if carry is generated, then result is positive and in its true form. Discard the carry. Okay, if carry 1 is generated, then your result is positive and you should discard that carry. And the if carry is not produced, means 0 carry is produced, then result is negative and in its 2's complement form. What we have solved in previous example. You have to just follow the steps. Okay, now we will see first case. There are again 3 more cases are there. First one case is both numbers are positive and A should be greater than B. If A is greater than B and A and B both are positive. The example is 54 minus 22. The numbers are given in decimal form. First of all, you have to convert it into binary form. 54 shows the magnitude 110110, and 22 here don't consider signed bit or sign numbers. Okay, we are not considering here sign numbers, we are just considering the magnitude of given number. Okay, Here 54 shows with the help of 6 different bits, and 22 can be shown by 5 different bits. Okay. Then for 22, 54 minus 22, we should first find out 2's complement of 22 to get minus 22, because 22 is not positive and is not negative. Now, okay. First of all, you have to first find out 2's complement of 22. 2's complement of this 0. Why I have added here 0? Because first number can be shown by 6 digits. That's why here I have taken this 0. 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0. This is the magnitude of 22. Find out 2's complement of 22 here. Start with this 0 as it is, 1. Write down first one and alter remaining bits. That is 0, 1, 0, 1. Means 1, 0, 1, 0. Okay. This is the 2's complement of 22. That is minus 22. After getting 2's complement of 22, just add it into 54. Magnitude of 54 is this, and 2's complement of 22 is this. Then addition, you have to perform addition. 1 plus 1, 0 plus 0, 0. 1 plus 1, 0, carry 1. 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 1 plus 1, 0, 0 plus carry 1, that is equal to 1, and carry is 1. Okay, this is your result. Here carry is generated. What your second step shows, if carry is generated means your number is positive, discard that carry and you are getting your result. That is 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, which is equivalent to 32 as a decimal number. Okay, here 1 is generated, hence your answer is positive. Discard the carry and your answer is 1. 5 times 0 means the magnitude 32. It shows the magnitude 32 in the decimal form. Getting it? Yes, Kauta Saganna? Any problem?
No.
Okay. Now we'll see the second one case, that is A and B both are positive, but your first number is less than second number. Okay. Means you are going to subtract larger number from the smaller number, bigger number from the smaller number. That is 22 minus 26. Here we have to find out 2's complement of the second one number, that is 26. Okay. 22 can be represented by 1, 0, 1, 1, 0. And 26 can be represented by 1, 1, 0, 1, 0. First of all, you have to find out 2's complement of 26. How to find 2's complement of 26? Start with LSB bit 0 as it is, and then write down 1 as it is, first one, and remaining bit alter. That is 0 becomes 1 and 1 becomes 0. This is the 2's complement of 26. After getting it, you should just add it into 22. The magnitude of 22 is 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, and magnitude of 2's complement of 26 is 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. Addition, 0 plus 0, 0, 1 plus 1, 0, carry 1. 1 plus 1, 0 plus carry 1 is equal to 1. Then 1 carry 1, 1 plus 0, 0, 0 plus carry 1, 1. Then 1 plus 0, 1. Here carry is not generated. What your fourth step shows, if carry is not generated, then your result is negative and it is in 2's complement form. Okay, here carry is not generated means your result is negative. First of all, you have to again convert it into 2's complement form. You have to take, you have to consider, or you have to bring it in the true form. In the true form, just by finding the 2's complement of your result. Okay. Then again start with LSB bit 0, 0, 1 as it is, and alter the remaining bits. That is 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. This is your answer. Means what? The magnitude shows 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. What is the magnitude in the decimal form? Can you tell me what it shows in decimal form? Yes. Rajeshri Shinde. Tell me the equivalent decimal. Yes. Srishti Patil is right. Yes. 4. Magnitude shows 4. Yes. But the carry is not generated means your result is negative. That's why minus 4 is your result. When you are performing in the decimal form, 22 minus 26, you will getting minus 4 as a result. And this is the procedure to solve this example. Okay. Then this next one is, if your numbers are in fractional part, Then how to find? Here, first number minus second number. Every time you have to find out 2's complement of the second number. Okay. Your second number means your numbers are in binary form. Then 2's complement of the second one number, that is 1001.01 is. Then start with LSB bit only, 1 as it is, and alter the remaining bit. Don't consider here fractional or the decimal point to find 2's complement. Okay. Don't consider fraction point here. Just consider LSB bit as 1. Okay. Write down 1 as it is and then alter all the remaining bits to get 2's complement of a fractional number. Okay. And then your first number is 1010.11 and add 2's complement of your second number, that is 011011. You'll getting 1 plus 1 0, carry 1, 1 plus 1 plus 1, 1 carry 1, then 1 as it is, 1 plus 1 0, carry 1, 1 plus 1 0, carry 1, 1 plus 1 0, carry 1. Here 1 is generated, carry 1 is generated, means your number is positive. Okay, and in its true form, no need to convert it into 2's complement form. Get it? If you get carry 1, then your number is positive and it is in true form. And if you are getting carry 0, means your number is negative and it is in 2's complement form. To get in original form, you have to find out 2's complement of your result. Okay, here number is positive. And what magnitude you are getting? 1.10. This is the result of your given answer. Okay. Then next example is this. This is your next example. Here, first number is smaller than the second one number. That is your second case. If both numbers are positive, but your second number is bigger than the first one number, then you are getting result or the carry is 0, means your result is negative and it is in 2's complement form. It is not in true form. To get it in true form, you need to convert it into 2's complement form. कहता है कि एक्सप्लेन करायची गरज आहे. Same as your second case. Yes. Should I explain it again? Hello.
No, ma'am.
कुणाला काहीही डाऊट असेल तर तुम्ही आता चॅट बॉक्स मध्ये टाइप करू शकता का? मी परत एकदा एक्सप्लेन करेल, अदरवाइज मी स्किप करते आणि पुढचा पॉइंट घेते. कळतंय सगळ्यांना? ओके, स्नेहल जगताप says repeat. Just remember the rules for the subtraction of binary numbers using 2's complement form. ठीक है? It is mentioned in your examination, that is perform the subtraction, binary subtraction using 2's complement method. You have to use this method only. Okay. What are the rules to perform the 2's complement? Perform the subtraction using 2's complement. Your first step is what? First, find out the 2's complement of second number. Okay. Find out 2's complement of second number, irrespective either that number is positive or negative, or it is bigger than the first one number or smaller than the first one number. Okay. Irrespective of all the conditions, you have to find out 2's complement of second number. After getting 2's complement of second number, just add the magnitude, binary magnitude of first number into the 2's complement of second number. Okay. And after that, if your result gets carry 1 means what? Here you have added number of bits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6 bits are there for first number and for second number. Okay. And if you are getting 7th bit as a carry, and if the carry is 1, then your number is positive and it is in true form, means this is your result. No need to convert it into other form to get the final result. Okay. If you are getting carry 1, then that one is your result. Discard that carry and your result is positive. Okay. But if you are getting carry 0, in this case, carry is not generated. See, here, just add 1 plus 0, 1, 0 plus 1, 1, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 1 plus 1, 0, carry 1, 1 plus 1, here, sorry, I think it is Wrong, na? 1 plus 1, 0, carry. It should be what? 0. It should be 0, then carry 1. 1 plus 1, 0, carry 1. Okay. And if you get carry 0, means your result is negative and it is in 2's complement form. You need to convert it into 2's complement. Okay. To get the final result. Got it, Snehal? You need to follow these steps only. You need to follow these steps. You should write down these steps. First one step is, suppose you have to perform these steps. Then first add A into 2's complement of B. If carry is generated, the result is positive and in its true form, discard the carry. If carry is not produced, then result is negative and in its 2's complement form. Okay? Have you written these steps? Okay. Now we'll see the next one case, that is if both numbers are same and you are supposed to subtract 6 from 6. Okay. Then again find out magnitude of 6. 6 can be shown by 0, 1, 1, 0 and 2's complement of 6. You have to find out 2's complement. Start with LSB bit 0, 1 and alter the remaining bit, that is 1, 0. Means 1, 0, 1, 0 is the 2's complement of 6. Then add this into the 6. Magnitude of 6 is 0, 1, 1, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 1. Sorry, 1 plus 1, 0, carry 1. 1 plus 1, 0, carry 1. 1 plus 1, 0, carry 1. Here you have added 4-bit numbers, 2 4-bit numbers, and you are getting 5 bits. That's why here MSB bit shows carry. Here carry is generated, means your number is positive, because 0 is not having sign, either minus or plus. Okay. Carry, discard that carry and magnitude shows 0. That's why your result is 0 and your result is in true form. No need to convert it into 2's complement form. Okay. Means your result is 0 in the decimal form and this is the 0, 0, 0, 0. It is in the binary form. Okay. Now this is the tutorial.